Dream Journal. April 17, 2025. Blizzard Robots God Shield. There is a terrible blizzard. In order to survive, a large group of people have taken shelter inside of a massive warehouse. I am among the survivors. The inside of the warehouse is dangerous in its own way. There are colorful humanoid robots wandering inside the building. Some seem to want to help us, while others pursue us mercilessly. I discover a broken device of the gods. It is forbidden to touch its pieces, but I do so anyway. I turn one of the pieces into a sparkling red shield, and use its magic to help fend off enemy robots.